Animal's always got some great tasting flavors, so of course I gotta go with the dragonberry. All right, so we're gonna try this flavor out right now. A shaker bottle with some water in it. I think that's pretty cool with this. 1 scoop, it's about 150 milligrams of caffeine. So you get a nice energy boost. Not only that, the special formulation of ingredients in this helps you to have sustained focus and get really fantastic muscle pumps as well. So if you'd like more info to know where you can get this for yourself, I have links and more information in the bio. Go check it out.